you will get two prizes. What is the two prizes? One is net proceeds, another one is redeemable value RS your market. Redeemable price. Redeemable means repayable, repaid at premium, repaid at discount. Have they mentioned anything? No. Just they have mentioned redeemed after 5 years. If they have not mentioned anything, you should take virginal price as a redemption price. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 4 of your topic called Financial Management, under that Cost of Capital. Now, in the previous session we discussed about your formula for cost of capital, under that your cost of debenture. Under debenture we already done problems on irredeemable. Now we are doing problems on redeemable, and as I told you in the previous session, you are supposed to remember the formula for redeemable debenture. Before I'll go to problem, I should know that whether you have learned formula or not. So if you are not, please go back to your previous session, check the formula, again come back, or else in the agenda session I'll write down the formula. Please remember, write down once, later we'll start problem. Under this, we have a concept and problems on cost of debentures. Now, remember what will be your formula, with tax or without tax. Which one you are supposed to remember? With tax. 90% of the problem comes with tax only. Hardly 10% of the problem will come without tax. Now, we'll go for your first problem. Before that, we'll remember what is your formula. Now, your formula is this, as I told you, this is your formula. I'll come back to your question again. First, read out the formula. What is this? Cost of debenture is equal to 1 plus I means what? Interest. Now, MP stands for your maturity price, RS redeemable price. Redeemable means repayable. What is repayable? Assume that you have taken 5 lakh loan. At the time of repayment, you are giving 5 lakh 50. That 5 lakh 50 we call it as redeemable. Now, net proceeds. Net proceed already you know that actual value plus discount or minus discount, and if there is any flotation charges, we are supposed to minus. Divide by N. N stands for number of years. Then again same formula, instead of minus we have what? Plus. In this, what will happen? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. This will be your formula. Now, I'll go back to your question now. A company issued 10 lakh. What is the net proceeds? 10 lakh. At 10% redeemable. Redeemable means repayable. We'll go slow. First 2-3 problems so that you should understand properly. Debentures at A. You will get two prizes. What is the two prizes? One is net proceeds, another one is redeemable value RS your market. Now, I'll write down here net proceeds. Next one, your maturity value. Net proceeds means at what price you have received. At what price you are paid. Remember, your maturity price means the loan you have taken, that is net proceeds. The loan you are repaying, we call it as maturity price or redeemable price. Remember this, these two are very important. Now, along with this, we have the cost of flotation. What is the flotation? Is 30,000. The flotation charges are 30,000. The debentures are redeemed after 5 years. The debentures are redeemed means repaid. It is repaid after 5 years. Calculate before tax and after tax. We are supposed to do two problems. One is without tax, one will be with tax. I'll go slowly one by one. Now, before this, we'll find out. Your formula is this one. We need what is MP we need what is NP, we need what is N, we need what is I. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 items we need. Now, first one will go for your first one, NP. Net proceeds we are supposed to find out. Now, issue 1 lakh, it is 1 lakh. Redeemable debenture at a discount at 5%. Cost of flotation amounted 30,000. The debentures were redeemed after 5 years. Calculate before tax. What is the discount? We have 5%. Now, 10 lakh minus 50,000, it is 9 lakh 50,000. What is the flotation charges? Flotation charges, we have 30,000 minus 30. How much you got? 9 lakh 20,000. What is the interest? 10 lakh, 10%. Interest is 1 lakh. These are the informations we have. Now, so 10 lakh 10%, redeemable, it is a name of the debenture, redeemable debenture. If it is a redeemable debenture, remember this is your bigger formula. If it is an irredeemable debenture in the question, they have mentioned small formula. Now, at a discount of 5%, issue at a discount of 5%, 10 lakh minus 5%, it is 9 lakh 50. Again, deduct your flotation charges, 30,000. Your net proceeds is 9 lakh 20. But interest has to be calculated on this or on this, on face value. Your interest we got around 1 lakh. Any doubt? No doubt. Redeemed after 5 years. Redeemed after 5 years means repaid. Repaid after 5 years. Have they mentioned anything? Repaid at discount, repaid at premium? They have not mentioned anything. No. If they have not mentioned anything, remember whatever value you had, same value it is paid. Again, I'll repeat. Your net proceeds you calculated as per this, you got 9 lakh 20,000. 9 lakh 20,000. Then interest you calculated, it is 1 lakh. On 10 lakh it is 10%. 1 lakh. Number of years. Number of years means what? After how many years they have repaid. Number of years means whether they have repaid after 10 years, after 5 years, after 6 years. We are supposed to calculate that. They have repaid after 5 years. We are supposed to consider 5 years. Now, number of years 5. MP. MP stands for your maturity price or redeemable price. Have they mentioned anything in the question? They redeemed, they repaid at premium, repaid at discount. Have they mentioned anything? No. Just they have mentioned redeemed after 5 years. If they have not mentioned anything, you should take virginal price as a redemption price. Now, so this will be how much? 10 lakh. Hope you got. NP is 10 lakh. Your NP is 9 lakh 20. Number of years 5 and interest part is 1 lakh. Any doubt? Hopefully no doubt. Now again I'll come back. This is your formula. NP is how much? 10 lakh. NP is how much? 9 lakh 20. 10 lakh minus 9 lakh 20. Divide by N. N stands for 5 years. 5. MP is how much? 10 lakh. NP is 9 lakh 20. Add, divide by 2. Clear? Write down the formula. Write down the actual requirement and simplify the formula. Any doubt? No doubt. Up to this, you don't have any doubt. Now, first you are supposed to calculate this. Then you are supposed to calculate this. First part as well as second part. Now, I'll show you. This 1 lakh will remain as it is. This 1 lakh, your interest part, 1 lakh will remain as it is. Calculate this. Your 10 lakh minus 9 lakh 20,000. We are doing this. Divided by 5. Divided by 5. How much you got? You got around 16,000. You got how much? 16,000. Now, this will be how much? 16,000. Now, you calculate this one. 10 lakh plus 9 lakh 20,000 divided by 2. How much you will get? 9,60,000. So it is 9,60,000. Your 1 lakh will remain as it is. 1 lakh plus 16, 1,16,000 divided by your 9,60,000. This will be 0.1208. How to convert to percentage? If you multiply with 100, you will get percentage. Any doubt? No doubt. Your answer is 12.08%. Now, hope you understood. Whatever we have done, if it is without tax, we have done. With tax, what will happen? I'll show you. The second part, when there is a tax. So when there is a tax. So same procedure, same formula, I'll show you. Your MP will remain as it is, 10 lakh. Your NP will remain as it is, 9,20,000. Number of years will remain as it is 5 years. Then what is the last one? I. Interest will remain as it is 1 lakh. There is no changes whatever the extraction you have done now, but you are supposed to take tax also. One more will be added. I'll go back to your question. What is the tax rate? It is 50% is your tax rate. Means it will be how much? 0.50. These are the information. Only one extra thing is added. Now, I'll go back to your formula. You know the formula. MP minus NP divided by N. MP plus NP divided by 2. Along with this, we have interest also. Interest has to be done what? 1 minus tax rate. Now, your interest 1 lakh. 1 as it is. Tax rate 5%. Clear? NP 10 lakh. NP 9,20,000. Number of years 5. Clear? Next. MP 10 lakh. NP 9,20,000. Divided by 2. Clear? Next. Same thing 10 lakh and 9,20,000. So before that, we'll simplify this. You have 10 lakh minus 9,20,000. 10 lakh minus 9,20,000 divided by 5. How much you will get? 16,000. Same procedure. This one. 10 lakh minus plus 9,20,000 divided by 2. Average is how much? 96. These two will not change. Now, your 1 lakh multiplied with 0.5. This will be 50,000. 50,000 has to be multiplied with this. How much you will get? Plus 16,000. You will get 66,000. You have taken 6,60,000. Now, divide this. 1 lakh, it is 50 plus 60, 66,000. 66,000 divided by 9,60,000. You get 0.068. Multiply with 100. 0.068 multiply with 100, you will get 6. I'll write it here, 6.875%. This is your final answer. Hope you understood. Now we have a small correction here. The correction is very simple. So if you calculate, this will come 50,000, 16,000 here only. You're only 66,000 only. It is not 6,60,000. It must be 66,000 divided by 9,60,000. Hope you understood. This is your when there is a tax. When there is a tax. Now, so I'll go back to your previous slide so that you can take screenshot. So this is your problem number 6. I have done working out along with this. The first part, if there is no tax. The second part, if there is a tax. Now, we'll go for the next one. Problem number 7. Under problem number 7, a 5 years rupees 100 debenture of a firm can be sold at a net price of rupees 96.5. The coupon rate is 14%. Now, a premium and the debentures will be redeemed at 5% premium on maturity. The firm tax is 40%. Find out the cost of debenture. Here they have given coupon rate, how to find out. Nothing to worry, easiest one. Now, what is your net proceeds? They have given 96.5. Take directly. What is your interest? They have mentioned it is 14%. So 14% on. So what is the value? If the net proceeds is 96.5, what is the value here? 100 rupees. 100 we call it as face value. Now, on 100 you calculate 14%, you will get 14 rupees. Now, what is your formula? Market price minus net proceed divided by N. Market price plus net proceed divided by 2. So we'll simplify this. We got everything. Have they given like coupon, premium and C? Of rupees premium and the debenture will be redeemed 5% premium. Repayable at what? 5% premium. Now, this will be like, I'll write down everything. Your first one, NP, MP, number of years, interest as well as tax. These are the information required to calculate your cost of debenture. Now, what is your NP? It is already given 96.5. What is your MP? Actual it is 100 plus 5 rupee. It will become 105. Actually it is 100. We'll add 5%. It will be how much? 105. Your NP will be 105. What is the number of years? The number of years is 5 years. In the beginning only given a 5 years. Now, 5 years. What is the rate of interest we calculated? It comes around 14% on 100. 14 rupees. What is the tax rate? Tax rate, it is mentioned 40%. 0.40. We got all the information. Yes, we got all the information. With the help of this information, we can proceed with your answer. Now, so what is the procedure like? The formula, you know that the interest is 14, 1 minus tax, your MP. MP is 105, NP is 96.5, divided by number of years is 5. Similarly, same value, but it is plus, divided by it is 2. 2 is common, we are taking average. Now, simplify this, you will get 0.6 plus this, divided by, if you simplify, 101.75. Remember, first you do this one, then you do this one, then you do this one. One by one you are supposed to do. Now, if you simplify, the final answer will be how much? 0.1002. You want in percentage. How do you convert into percentage? You can convert it as 10.025 percentage. 10.025 percentage. Hope you are clear. Yes, good. Your final answer is 10.025. Now we'll go for the last problem. Before that, you can take a screenshot for this. Your problem number 7 and your solution part. So we are in the last problem for the day. That is your problem number 8. Under this, S Limited issued 13.5% debenture. What is that 13.5? That is the rate of interest. 75 each and has issued 1250 debenture at 10% discount. Now, it is redeemed after a period of 5 years. Corporate tax debenture is 35. What is this? This is your tax rate. Now, before I'll go to the answer, we'll find out what are the information we have. Rupees 75, discount 10%, net proceeds 67.5. I'll come back. Your net proceeds. Limited issued 13.5% debenture of 75 each, has issued 1250. That is a value. We don't want that 1250. Remember, this is not required. 75 each debenture at a discount of 10%. 75 discount of 10%. Your net proceed is 67.5. 5. Now, after a period of 5 years, it redeemed. Have they mentioned it redeemed at discount, at premium? Nothing they have given. Then what we should do? We should take 75 itself, your final answer. Now, and then you are supposed to calculate interest. Interest is what is the percentage? 13.5. What value? 75. It will be 10.12. Now I'll simplify this. We need NP, we need MP, we need number of years, we want interest, we want tax. What is your NP? Already calculated, 67.5. MP as it is 75. Number of years, 5 years. Interest we calculated, it is 10.12 and tax rate 35, 0.35. These are the information. Before we go to problem, we should identify. Now, cost of debenture I 1 minus T plus MP minus NP divided by N. MP plus NP divided by 2. What is your answer now? Interest 10.12, 1 minus tax rate, MP 75, NP 67.5, N 5 years. MP 75, NP 67.5 divided by average 2 years. Simplify, you will get this answer. We want in percentage, multiply with 100, you got 11.33%. This is your final answer. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, we're done with your final answer. Your final answer is 11.33. You have question also, you have answer also in the same slide. I'll go out of this slide so that you can take a screenshot. Now, we're done with your problem number 6, problem number 7 and problem number 8. Unless and until you work out at home, you will not understand this. Easy, but you have to practice. Thank you.